Hello there, welcome to another video from Max REVS. I'm in France in the Mulhouse region and the sun is out. The weather was predicting rain. Look at what we've got here, quick early morning. The first 981 GT4, in fact the first GT4 and the last petrol naturally aspirated GT4. Oh my God, you've got to come to France. I know a lot of people have been telling me about the roads here. I haven't found roads like this, 180-degree switchbacks, absolutely great. I wanted to quickly just show you the 718 GT4 RS, because I kid you not, it's not just because it belongs to my mate Phil. I swear it's the best spec 718 GT4 RS ever. Check how all the colours work. White and black I think is fantastic, and something I've never seen. Everyone seems to go Visac package. Come here and look at these scoops, because I think I had never seen these intakes on the non-Visac car, and I know it's kind of in the sun, I'm not sure how it will come out. I just think with that black plastic there, and in the knacker ducts, it just works so well on this white car, in the mountain passes, oh my God. Anyway, what we'll do, I'll bring you more on this car as I can. This is just a sort of a quick video. We left at about 6:30. Great cars, great roads. I can't sort of express how different the roads are here in France compared to the UK. We did have a few roads being worked on, but that's just like a few and far between. Enjoying life and cars to the max, just a very short video here. Caymans are great, and actually I've learnt now, Caymans in great locations are even better. Enjoying life and cars to the max, see ya.